So how do we go from Throughhauls to cleaning the bilge in the same project? Hi, I'm Nika Waters and welcome to the Boat Galley Podcast. Today I'm talking about how one thing just seems to lead to the next and then the next and then the next. Today's episode of the Boat Galley Podcast is sponsored by Lunatec, makers of the hydration spray bottle, odor-free dishcloth, and self-cleaning washcloth. Lunatec offers practical gear designed to save water and reduce waste. A water bottle that doubles as a hose, a dishcloth that doesn't get stinky. Yes, please. Visit lunatecgear.com to see all their great products. That's LUNATECGEAR.com. Use coupon code BOATGALLEY, BOATGALLEY, for 10% off everything. Lunatec, innovative gear for your outdoor adventures. When we were working on our Throughhaul replacement a little bit ago, we realized that it just went from one to the next to the next. We had these beautiful new shiny flanges, and then we were going to match them with these nasty looking yucky old Throughhauls. The decision on whether we should buy all new Throughhauls was made a little bit easier by the fact that we actually had to destroy a fair amount of the Throughhaul to be able to get them off, and so the decision was made for us. But it reminded me of a children's book called If You Give a Moose a Muffin by Laura Numeroff. So with many apologies too, and some inspiration from her, I give you If You Give a Boat Some Bling. If you give a boat some bling, she'll want the matching exterior stuff. So you start the latest Defender list, which makes you really eyeball your rapidly disappearing under boat bucks budget. Can't we just clean up some of that existing bling and make it all shiny? Come on, those wonderful wire brushes that fit on a drill, they do a great job of cleaning up things. And so then you stop thinking about what you were working on and change your focus for the weekend from fiberglassing to put those pucks in place to through-hull removal, which makes the boat say, oh no, not so quickly. Which means that you have to access the space to be able to cut out some of the through-hulls from inside the boat. And in order to access that, you need to take out the head. And in order to take out the head, you then take out the head pedestal. And then you take out the mahogany ceiling strips that happen to be under the head pedestal, all to be able to get at that through-hull. You also then go down memory lane because you find all this incredible amount of dog hair from 1995 and a Lego piece that I think our son is still looking for 20 years later. And then, once you've done all that, you can access the head discharge for the brand new shiny through-hull, which clearly the boat doesn't want to let go of, which makes you add new boat bling to that Defender list, which makes you wonder what else needs to go on the list, because Defender does it all by shipping, and if you can combine things together, the shipping cost is less, which the budget appreciates, which the boat also appreciates. Because when you give a boat some bling, she'll want some more bling to go with it. Have you had an experience where one thing led to the other and all of a sudden you found yourself picking up Lego pieces when all you really wanted to do was talk about a through-hull? I think that's part of boat life sometimes. And when we share an anchorage, we can swap stories and laugh about it too. Thank you so much for listening to the Boat Galley Podcast. We love hearing from our listeners, and we love it when you share it with your friends. Have the most spectacular week.